All right, guys. I am making a video to, as always, go over the expectations and the assignments for the week. So, as always, everything is posted on Blackboard. These assignments for this week are going to be due on Tuesday per Dr. Weldy's new guidelines on when assignments are due and lesson plans are to be posted. So, these will be due on the 21st at 9 a.m. If you have any questions, just let me know. But go to our Blackboard page, go down to microbiology, well, however you guys get on, click assignments. Once you're at assignments, scroll down to week 34. You're going to click this, and then here is the agenda for the week. As always, guys, this is not an assignment. It's just giving you the agenda for what you're going to be doing and how long it should take you. So you're going to be doing recombinant DNA reading and watching videos in a practice on CK12. You're going to do watch a video over super salmon, which is a genetically modified fish. That you will watch the video, and then I created a Google form that you will go in and answer questions on. And then all of that is there. And then you're going to be answering just 10 questions over recombinant DNA. Well, there's like 8 on recombinant DNA, and then a couple on genetically modified organisms. So that's the agenda. Here are the instructions for how to get on to CK12 or what you're going to be doing. So you're going to log on to CK12, click our microbiology page, click the assignments, and then you are going to complete 4 assignments. There's 2 videos, 1 reading, and 1 adaptive practice. And I've kind of took a screenshot of all of the assignments. You will be completing these 4. Some of you have already gone in and completed this, so thank you for that. This will be a grade this week, okay? So we're getting used to e-learning assignments, so this will be a grade. So just be sure that you're completing all of those activities. So that is that. I will show you in just a second what you're going to do with that. And then your Super Salmon assignment. You're going to click this link, and it's going to take you to a PBS Learning, and you're going to watch this video over Super Salmon. You're just going to watch it. If you want to come down here, you can close the closed captioning. You can turn it off, or you can leave it on so that you can kind of read what it's saying to answer some of the questions. Okay? So you will watch that. And then, let me move me down here. You will click this link. It will take you to a Google Doc, and you will answer these questions and submit them back to me. You will be getting a grade for this as well. And then the last thing that you'll be getting a grade for are the questions that will come from this. Now, guys, if you go to week 33 or 32, the genetic engineering notes are there, so you can access those if you need help. Also, in your textbooks on chapter 10 or in chapter 10, pages 292 through 301, you can find the same information in your textbook as well if you still have them. If you don't, that is why CK12 is there. And then, as always, if you're still having problems, you can just let me know, okay? So on our CK12, let me go to mine real quick so I can show you what you need to be doing. Yes, that's where we want to go. Here are my classes. Now, once you go to the microbiology, you're going to come to the assignments, and then you will click. Here are the 4 that you're going to do. You'll see that they were assigned today, and that you're going to put them, or they'll be due on the 21st. So you will click this, click here, you'll read through that. there is an adaptive practice that you will do. You will be graded on this. So take it as many times as you want to get the grade you want. And then your recombinant DNA, these next two are videos. So you need to watch both of those as well. And again, it shows up who's completed that and who hasn't. If you are having problems with that, just email me, let me know you're having problems, and then we'll work out a solution to that together. Okay? But for the most part, that is your assignment for this week. I don't plan on holding a Zoom meeting this week. There was only a couple people showed up last week. And if you have questions, you can email them to me, and I will answer them. I try my best to get back to you guys as quick as possible. But if not, then fantastic. That's the goal, is that this is set up as easy as possible. So again, here's your agenda for the week. Here's your instructions on what you should do for CK12. Here's your genetically modified foods, and then the link for the Google form. Guys, there's also the Word document with all of that information as well, which is here. And then there's also this reading that goes along with the video, okay? And then again, you will answer these questions, submit them to me, and that will be coming to me. So you will have more than just a couple of grades this week. So please be sure that you are aware of that. And guys, if you have not completed the virtual lab over the gel electrophoresis, please do that. You have to do the lab and also answer the questions. That's 16 points. You also have to do the Quizlet over gel electrophoresis, where you have to right click, go down to click, or click the print button, and instead of printing, you're going to save it as a PDF. Once you've saved it as a PDF, you will submit it in the digital Dropbox. So be sure you're doing that. As of today, when I checked grades, a lot of people are still not doing that. And then also be sure that you're doing the gel electrophoresis questions, and those will be due tomorrow at 9 a.m. I will be updating grades. I tried to update all week, but I will be updating for sure tomorrow, and then contacting parents and seeing if you guys are doing okay, or if you had any questions with that, and then I can walk you through it. Okay? I hope you guys are doing well. Stay warm. The dang weather. This would be a whole lot much more bearable if we could go outside, but it's too cold. So, I hope you guys are doing well. I miss you. And again, any questions, just email me and I will be happy to help. Take care, guys.